Welcome to day 10, and today we are going to talk about very serious topic. Why I am calling it serious? Because we are going to talk about intimate relationships. Intimate relationships is something everybody is longing for, and this is something which gives greatest trouble in the life of people. Why? Because all our qualities, all our drawbacks, they come to surface in our intimate relationships. So, my life partner, is going to know all the good qualities and bad qualities I have, and he is going to experience it. Same thing for him. All his good qualities and bad qualities will come to surface only in front of me and in front of nobody else. That's why it's very important how we approach this intimacy or the intimate love. Hunting for intimate love or the partner is never going to help you, because love is not something outside of me. Love is what is inside me. This means what? Until and unless I am ready, I am never going to attract the love I need. Another thing, what beliefs I have about myself, I am going to attract same type of belief in my partners. Suppose I feel I'm not worthy of love, if I feel I'm not capable of having intimate relationships, then my partner also will be having all those beliefs. So ultimately, what I am attracting is all my beliefs in my partner. So, before going into any intimate relationship, first thing is you list down the qualities you have. Now you improve more of the good qualities inside yourself and reduce the qualities you don't like about yourself. This is the only way you are going to attract a perfect partner, because everything is your mirror, and this applies particularly to relationships. See, we have relationship with everything. At present we are having relationship with this course. We have relationship with money, we have relationship with career, we have relationship with our education, and all this is reflected from a single point, and that is what relationship I have with myself. If I have a great or a good relationship with myself, all my other relationships are going to be better. If I feel worthy, I can attract more money, I can attract good partner, I can have good career, I can have better education. All things are concerned with, all things are related to my own relationship with myself. That's why we talked about self love, self acceptance first, and then on day 10, we are talking about the intimate love, because all those things are going to color this one single relationship. Another very important aspect of this is, as a child, how you experienced love. Did your parent always fight? Did the other people in your family had good relationship with each other? You are going to have that belief, and you are going to have that pattern in your relationship as an adult. So first and foremost, forgive your parents for not having good relationship with each other as well as with you. Now you can do is you write down what qualities you want in your partner, and Imagine, visualize your ideal partner with all those qualities. And believe in me, if you are grateful for, if you love yourself, and if you imagine yourself with a perfect partner, one day you are going to have a partner of your dream, that prince charming or that princess charming, and he is going to fulfill all your desires, all your dreams of intimate relationships. And this is how we are creating our reality, we are creating our life, and this course is going to help you. Now the time for homework. List down your beliefs about intimate relationships. List down what you want in your partner, and write down affirmations for each of the qualities as well as each of the limiting beliefs. Work on those affirmations. Take help of my book, A to Z Affirmations. Practice these affirmations in front of mirror as well as write down and practice in writing in your diary. Wish you all the best for your homework as well as I wish you a great intimate relationship in your life. Enjoy your life with a perfect partner. Thank you.